Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome, bienvenidos, no, and to the new people here, hey, thank you for joining the family. So today I have something different for you. I have a DIY. So I'm gonna show you how to make a diaper cake. Yep, you heard me correctly, a diaper cake. I got 2 diaper cakes when I had my baby shower and I thought it was a marvelous gift. It was beautiful. In fact, first of all, I was like confused. Is this a cake? Are these diapers? What on earth is going on here? But guys, I feel this is something that everybody can do, and literally depend unless you want to make the Guinness Book of Record diaper cake, you only need 1 carton of diapers. So if you want to see how I achieved this beautiful diaper cake, stay tuned, guys. Hi guys, so to make the diaper cake, you don't need too much items. In fact, all you need, obviously, as is a diaper cake, is a box of diapers. You need ribbon because you will need to tie the diapers together, as I will show you. And this I got from the local Parisina store for about 20 pesos. And you need a pair of scissors because how will you cut the ribbon if not that? The last thing that you will need, some sort of base to put the diaper cake. But you can get something like this at Walmart or at your local craft store. Okay, so let's get started. Opening up the diaper bag, we have 3 sets of diapers which contain 30 each. So I'm just gonna pull out some diapers and I'm gonna show you how to roll them. I have 3 diapers here, so I'm gonna show you how to get started. Now, you have to note that the diaper has like an enclosed portion here and it has an open portion here. I feel it's always best to roll from the open portion to the closed portion. So this is what I mean. Taking it like this, rolling, 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 and rolling, till you have something that looks like this. I feel this is best because it won't be too messy here. Here is already closed or folded, so when you tie it with a ribbon, it will stay perfectly. So that's the process of rolling. Now taking a ribbon, any color, depending on the theme of the baby shower, or if you know the theme of the baby's room, or whether it's a boy or a girl, it doesn't matter. So this is purple ribbon, and I'm just gonna cut it. Now, I don't want the ribbon too long because the ribbon just keeps the diaper in place. It's not necessarily going to show on the diaper cake. So anything too long, you have a lot of flyaways here and then, which can be stressful for you. But you don't want it too short so that you're able to tie it. So I'm gonna take this length and let me tell you the approximate length. 6 inches will work fine. Taking my scissors, I'm just gonna cut it here. Now, I have 3 out, so I'm just gonna repeat the process for another. Now we have our ribbon. I'm gonna go back to the diaper and I'm gonna show you again. So we're folding from this part. Arrange it, you don't want it to be all rumpled, and begin to fold. So where the folded part touches the diaper, that's where I'm gonna make sure my ribbon is tied, because when I arrange it in the cake, I don't want to see it. So I would know, I don't want to see this part outside. It won't look so tidy. So I will know that this portion is going to be inside, but I will show you when I'm arranging it. Like I said, we're gonna take this side that is open and we're gonna roll it in. Now we're gonna take our ribbon that I previously cut, placing it on the table to show you. I'm gonna tie it here. This is the folded portion of the diaper, and you can easily hide this inside or leave it as is. And there you go. Now I'm going to show you how to stack the diaper cake onto your base. So I have done the rest of the diapers off camera, and now we're going to start building our cake. So taking my base, placing it flat, I'm going to take 1 diaper and place in the middle. Then I'm gonna start placing other diapers around it.
Remember that the portion that is tied should be facing inwards.
My centerpiece took 1 in the middle and 6 diapers around. So this is how it looks, and this is going to be the base, and I'm just going to continue adding diapers around to tie. You could tie this center portion first before you do the outer portion. Okay, I am done, and here is the base of the diaper cake.
Now it's time to do the second tier.
Okay, we are building. We have finished making the diaper cake, but you can't just leave it like that. Come on, you need to add some more flavor to it. So I'm gonna take a thicker ribbon and I'm gonna tie it around. Taking my thicker ribbon. The second time. Now I'm gonna turn it around. Try to make sure that they are aligned. I'm gonna tie a bow. Nothing too fancy here. It's not the video to learn how to make the perfect bow. And I'm gonna cut it down the middle. Both of them. Then I'm gonna open up my scissors like this and use it to curl the ribbon. Then I'm just gonna take this blue one and just hold everything in place. I'm nearly done, but there's something I like to do with my diaper cakes. I like to cut out the size of the diaper and put it at the top so that I can remind the mother. You can just pull it out from the top and see, oh, okay, this is the size. And I'm done, guys, so let me show you the finished look. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is the finished look. There is nothing holding the 3 layers together because it is sturdy enough, so all you need to do is just carry it with the base. That's why it's good to have a sturdy base. And guys, see you in my next video.